In this video, I will solve your doubts about how to connect Logitech G733 wireless headset to phone. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly set up the Logitech G733 and connect it to your phone. Now, most headsets designed for mobile devices will feature Bluetooth. This makes connecting them extremely simple and convenient because all that you would have to do is to enable Bluetooth and connected them to the menu. However, this specific headset from Logitech doesn't feature Bluetooth. It uses a proprietary interface and you need to connect the USB wireless adapter into your phone to use it. However, most phones won't have a USB-A port. So as it stands today, the only way in which you will be able to connect the Logitech G733 wireless headset to your phone is by using a proper adapter. Usually this is going to be Lightning to USB-A or USB-C to USB-A, depending on the port available on your mobile device. And then you will be able to connect the USB wireless adapter into that adapter going into your phone. Of course, this can be quite annoying to use it like that, but it is the only way to get this specific headset to work with your phone. You can also try directly connecting it into your mobile device, so something like a USB-C to USB-C or USB-C to Lightning cable. However, the port on the headset is mainly used for charging, so there is no guarantee that you will be able to use it wired. So the best course of action is to purchase an adapter and plug the USB wireless receiver into that adapter and then power on the headset. It will automatically pair itself up with the USB wireless dongle as long as it is connected into your mobile device. If it doesn't work, then sadly there is no workaround to this besides using the adapter. So make sure that you purchase a high quality one and you should be able to at least listen to the audio being output through your mobile device. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Logitech G733 wireless headset to phone. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.